So yeah, this is the part 2 of it. I've just explained what cryptography is, and the last point to take, like the mindset for you to be having in your heart, is to say detect patterns before applying tools. That means you have to know like the pattern or the flag you found, and literally you should conclude that this is the tool I'll use, because you can't see a flag which has been encoded and you are trying to use the tools which are like for maybe encryption and decryption, so it won't work. Something which has been encrypted, then you are now using you are trying to decode it. It doesn't work like that. Something which has been maybe like just been shifted, maybe the letters have just been shifted, you can't be using tools which are for decoding text or decrypting text. So you should know the patterns anyways. So first of all, let me just go kupiko website wow, so we'll surely show you how to approach the challenges. So we are under cryptography. So our first challenge, the one we'll pick as of now, I think we'll just do maybe 2, is this one, which is code 13. And the name itself, the name of the challenge, most of times it gives you a clue, like reader telling you the clue that this is one of the hints. So the name of the challenge is 13. The author is Alex. Description of it: cryptography can be easy. Do you know what lot 13 is? So lot 13, by just reading that, it means that the letters have been shifted like 13 times. Lot means rotation. So I believe this is the flag. And before we go on or proceed, a flag has a pattern like this, like that. It's always like pico CTF, then the flag is like here. The flag is pico CTF, then the flag is always here. Then you literally use like it's in the curly brackets though, but the pattern of it goes like this. Every single challenge, it has a flag which is like that one. So as we are seeing here already, we are actually seeing it like this is already the flag. But the problem is that the reason why we are failing to read it is because it has been shifted, as simple as that. And it has been shifted using the 13 is it lot 13 key. So me telling you that it has been shifted 13 times or plus 13 negative 13, it doesn't necessarily mean that you'll be seeing the letters there. Like maybe if A B C has been shifted, don't expect that it will be maybe C B, maybe A. No, it can be X Y A. So I don't know if you've ever had a class or something you learned in class, but it's that because the letters themselves, they do represent something else as well. So on hints, these are the hints, like they can be 1 up to 5, 1 up to 3, anyways, but we've been provided just a single hint which says this can be solved online if you don't want to do it by your hand. So yeah, people do solve this like by hand. We did that as well, like in class, just on paper. You can just write the letters like literally. So since we'll be using online tools, we'll just say lot 13. We literally know that is a cipher, so we can just go maybe cyber chief. I think these two already talked about it. So yeah, you can open that website. So that's the website. Since the text itself was just shifted, we'll look for something like Caesar cipher. Which is, I believe, something like this. You can use this. Then you just drag it, put it here. I've opened twice. So yeah, the allowance you just put 13 on the key. I think we haven't been provided the key. I don't know why we are using something like this. Anyways, we'll just use another thing. Caesar cipher. I believe there's I think it's this one. Yeah, this is the one. We'll just pick this thing, we copy it, then we go here, then we'll literally do something like this. Shift key or number will be 13, then we'll paste it here, then we'll do decrypt, then we'll see our results here, like list of them. So on the 13, it is already showing that is Pico, not bad of a problem, meaning to say, let me just maximize this for you to see it anyways. So this is the thing, this is it. So this one is using 16, this one like 16th key, this one is using 25, this one is using 2 6, but we are told that is actually 13. So we'll copy it, then we'll go to this part, then we'll just do like pasting it, then we'll submit the flag. You've solved this challenge correctly again. It's as simple as that. It is, of course it gets harder as you go on. Maybe let me just lead this one. I believe we can solve it since it's just an easy thing. So the problem it says the numbers. So the numbers, alright, what do they mean? Then we will read the hints. The flag is in the format Pico CTF, then there's something like that. Then we'll surely download this image, then we'll open it, open the picture. So it's saying like this, 16 whatsoever, something like that, meaning to say this thing, obvious by just looking at it, what's coming in your mindset, meaning to say it has also been loaded. Is it loaded? But for me to capture this, I mean to copy this thing, so maybe the shortest way to copy that thing, we can just open Google. Is it Google Lens? We just type Google, it's okay. Then we use Google Lens. I don't know if you type it like starting all the numbers, but for me I'll just use Google Lens. Then we'll upload a file, I think in the downloads folder.